We have certain word problems. Okay, word problems. And here in word problems you will find that the sums are quite simpler, isn't it? Very simple. Why? Because generally the children get confused that these word problems are the toughest one, but they have done more tough sum in the previous one, where they had used entire multiplication and division of fractions in every particular problem. So in number 1, what they say, have a look. From a rope, this is the rope given. From a rope, that is length of the rope is given as, length of rope is given as 10.5 meter. They say that 4, 5 by 8 is cut off. Cut off. So how much they have cut it off? 4 by 5. 4, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 meter of the rope is cut off. Therefore, what will be the remaining length? Remaining length is equal to the total length, that is 10.5 meter, minus 4, 5 by 8 meter, that is the cut-off meter. So now you can say the next level is just solving of these simple problems. So how can you solve? Come on, let's start. 21 by 2 minus 37 by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32 plus 5. 37 by 8 is equal to how much, my dear? Is equal to, what is the LCM of 2 and 8? Is your 8. So here you have 8 divided by 2. LCM divided by denominator is equal to 4, and this 4 should be multiplied with the numerator. Similarly, what similarly? When the denominator and the LCM are same, we just copy down the numerator. Okay. Now have a look here. What we have? 84 minus 37 by 8. They will give you 47 by 8, which is equal to, when you will convert it into mixed fraction, 5 7 by 8 meter. So you can see that how easily these all sums can be solved. Okay. Actually, you people, okay, kept on, though these all were taught in the online classes, and there might be few of them who might have missed the classes. Therefore, you have the opportunity over here to get everything recorded. A piece of cloth is 5 meter long. So it's of the same type. Okay, length of the cloth. Length of cloth is equal to your 5 meter is given, and shrink. They say that after washing it shrinks by 1 by 25 of its length. Shrinks means chota ho jana. So whenever you buy cotton clothes, for example, if the length is about 40 centimeter, it will shrink at least 1 centimeter. Therefore, whenever you buy cotton clothes, please see that you buy at least, you can say, a little length, a little bigger length. So here they say that shrinks, S-H-R-I-N-K-S, shrinks by how much? 1 by 25. 1 by 25 of the total length, that is 5 meter. Okay. So one calculation on cancelling, we find that it is 1 by 5 meter of the length that has shrunk. So what will be the remaining length? Remaining length will be equal to, the total length was 5 meter and minus 1 by 5 meter that was shrunk. So what will you get? You will get 25 minus 1 by 5 is equal to how much? 24 by 5. 24 by 5, which is equal to 4 by 5 meter. Okay. Number 3, they have bought wheat, rice and vegetables. So the mother, you can say, sends, even sometimes your parents also, they will give you about 100 rupee note, and they will tell you go and bring certain articles, go and buy certain articles. So you should at this level do all these kind of small shoppings, so that it will not only enhance your knowledge about the product, it will also help in your mathematical calculation. So in number 3 they say that I bought wheat worth rupees 12 and a half. So cost of wheat is equal to rupees 12 and a half. Then they say that cost of wheat, not wheat, rice is equal to rupees 25 3 by 4. Vegetables are also bought. What about vegetables? So vegetables was bought for rupees 10 1 by 4. Now what is the total money spent? So my dear, the total money spent is equal to how much? Let us add all these. 12 and a half, 25 3 by 4 and 10 1 by 4. So when you convert this into improper fraction, you will get 25 by 2 plus 103 by 4 plus 41 by 4. Have a look. This is your LCM. 50 plus 103 and plus 41. So after, what after? First let us find the value. So 50 plus 103 plus 41, what you will get? You will get 194 by 4. So when you will cancel it, how much you will get? You will get your answer as 97 by 2. Rupees 97 by 2. So this rupees 97 by 2 is the amount that you have spent. But your mother had given you rupees 100 note. Remember that your mom had MOM had given you rupees 100 note. So when you were given rupees 100 note, how much will you return to her? So the money that you will return, or you can say the money that you will return, or you can say the remaining amount will be equal to how much? 100 out of this total, you can say, amount which was given to you minus the amount spent. So this will be equal to how much? 200 minus 97 by 2, which will give you 103 by 2 is equal to how much? So is equal to 51 and a half rupees. 51 and a half. Clear? So this is the amount that you should return to your parents. Okay. Otherwise again she will lose trust in you, that you have utilized you can say the money in buying chocolates. However, I used to do this, I was quite naughty at your age. Number 4. Out of 500 oranges in a box, 3 by 25 are rotten. So total oranges is given is how much? Total oranges is equal to कितना 500 दिखाई कम दे रहा है 500 in a box, and rotten is equal to how much? So my dear, rotten is equal to 3 by 25 of the total number of oranges. So 25 how many times? 25 2 times 50 is equal to 60 oranges, with 60 oranges which were rotten. चलो कोई बात नहीं. 1 by 5 are kept for guests. Okay, so kept for guests is equal to not 1 by 5 of remaining. They are directly saying that 1 by 5 of the total number of oranges are kept for guests. So 5 how many times? 100 times is equal to 100 oranges kept for guests. how many oranges are left in the box? So here left oranges is equal to, out of the total number of oranges, let us subtract the rotten ones and the oranges kept for the guests. So here 500 minus 160 will give you how much? Will give you 340 oranges. So simple. Number 5. Come to number 5. बस दो चार्ट हुआ है. An ornament piece is made of copper and gold. अच्छा. So this ornament is made of gold. Gold. Okay. Its chemical formula is AU. Aurum. Whenever you write its chemical formula, then in that case you will have the first letter should be a capital letter and the second one should be a small letter, plus copper. Okay, copper again Cu, capital letter and small letter. And they say that the weight of why copper is added in ornament, it is in order to make it hard, because gold is very very soft. So 24 karat gold is very soft. If ornament is made from that, you can say it will easily get bent and get deformed, you can say. That is why some copper is added. So copper, copper is added to gold, and they say that the weight of the ornament is equal to 96 gram. Very good. They say here they have given you the data that if 1/12 of the ornament is copper, so copper, weight of copper, you can say weight of copper is equal to how much? 1/12 of the ornament, that is weight of the copper. So 12 how many times? 12 8 times, which will give you 8 gram of copper, while the therefore the weight of gold will be equal to how much? So the weight of gold will be equal to the weight of the ornament minus weight of copper, that is 8, is equal to how much? 96 minus 8 is equal to 88 grams. Okay, so this is the weight of your weight of your gold. So that is why we can say there are some goldsmiths who would, you can say, who would mix more amount of copper in it and reduce the purity of the gold. Okay, so sometimes the pure gold is taken as 22 karat gold. Sometimes, see, the purest is 24, but after mixing copper, you can say the maximum level of the gold comes to 22 karat. But they will mix more amount of copper and will reduce it to 16 karat and 15 karat. Please come to number 6. Okay, please come to number 6. तो बेटा number 6 में क्या है? A girl did half of some work on Monday. So always remember that the total work is taken as 1. Total work is taken as 1. Oh, come on. Total work is taken as 1. Now this girl, I'll write girl. Okay, not only girl, but nowadays I find that mostly the boys have become very very lazy. Okay, even in the online classes, most of the girls, they would join, but the boys, they would neither speak anything or neither they would take interest in joining. कोई बात नहीं है. I'm not going to scold them. Why should I scold them? Okay, this is whatever they are doing it for themselves. So the girl here the girl over here, it says that work done on Monday. So work done on Monday is equal to half. Clear? This is the fraction of the work done by the girl on Monday. Okay. Now 1/3 of it on Tuesday. So work done on Tuesday is equal to how much? 1/3. Very good. What are they saying? They are saying find the remaining work. So let us find the total work done, isn't it? Before finding the remaining, so total work done is equal to how much? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to how much? LCM will be 6, because these two are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are numbers whose HCF is 1. So I have multiplied these two. Now 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the amount of work done. So what is the remaining work? Remaining will be equal to total minus work done. So total was how much? Total work was 1. So 1 minus 5 by 6 is equal to, see here, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is the remaining work done. Remaining work which she will have to do it. Now if she does it on Wednesday or Thursday or doesn't do, that is her problem. We should not, you can say, worry, or you can say get worried about it. Come on. To come to number come to number 7. See, these sums we have done it so quickly. So just stay tuned, or you can move out also. Skip it. A man spends 3 by 8 of his money and still has 720 left with him. Yes, from here something very important starts. The man spends. Man spends how much? So my dear, man spends how much? Man spends 3 by 8 of the money. 3 by 8 of money. Okay. Now, when the man spends 3 by 8 of the money, so how much is left? Left is equal to how much? मतलब 8 में से 3 he spent it. So how much is left? So the left will be 5 by 8. Yes or no? Left will be equal to 5 by 8 of money. So that is why instead of teaching you that you subtract it from 1, the best thing over here is just observe the fraction, that only 3 out of 8 has been spent. So left will be 5 by 8. Okay. Now I hope you have understood this. So 5 by 8 of money is equal to 720. So what to find out of money means total money. So what will be the value of the total money? So total money will be equal to 720. Remove this. Please send this transpose 5 by 8 onto the other side. So what will happen? The denominator over here will become the numerator, and the numerator over here will become the denominator. Clear? So after cancellation, what will you get? So after cancellation, you will get rupees. How much? Rupees 144 into 8 is equal to 1152 will be your final solution. So this 1152 is the total money which the man earns. Okay. Moving on to number 8. I hope I am able to see. I am trying my level best to make you people understand. Okay. Whatever I have with me, it's better you people take it. Okay. There might be some, you can say, mistakes, that is manual mistakes. So do not go for this. Just you see that whether you have understood the concept or not. Just few sums are there. So please stay tuned. I am not forcing you to be over here. Okay. You may move out. So in a school, 4 by 5 of the students are boys. So when you are talking about students, so when you talking about students, this means both the boys and the girls. So in a school, 4 by 5 of the students are boys. So my dear, number of boys is equal to how much? Once again, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 of total students. Very good. Now, what will be the number of girls? So they say that the number, so what they are not saying anything. So here number of girls will be equal to, see once again, out of 5, 4 are boys. So the girls will be 1 by 5, 1 by 5 of total students, Now, number of girls is equal to 1 by 5 of total students, and they are saying that according to the question, the number of girls or the strength of the girls is equal to how much? 100. See, please go through the question. The number of girls is equal to 100. So here the number of girls which I have found it out in terms of the fraction 1 by 5 of total students is equal to 100. Therefore, total students will be equal to 100. And as I had told you that when you will transpose 1 by 5 onto the other side, the denominator over here will become the numerator and will get multiplied, and 1 will come over here. So it is equal to 500. What you have done, you have found out total number of students is equal to 500. Now when total students is equal to 500 and you know the number of girls, so can't you find the number of boys? Of course, number of boys will be equal to total number of students, that is 500, minus total number of girls, that is 100, which gives you 400 as the number of boys. Okay? Come to number 9 and finish it. After finishing 3 by 4 of my journey, okay, so journey traveled equal to how much? Have a look. What are they saying? After finish, FINISHING, finishing, कितना बेटा? After finishing 3 by 4 of my journey. Okay, so I have just written it so that when I will write the next line, you would understand properly. So after finishing 3 by 4 of my journey, what does this mean? It means the journey traveled, TRAVELED, traveled is equal to 3 by 4 of total journey. So here you can see that journey travel is equal to 3 by 4 of the total journey, and according to the question they are saying that I find 12 kilometer of my journey is covered, means the total journey traveled is equal to 12 kilometer, which is 3 by 4 of the total journey. The total journey will be equal to how much? How are you going to find it out? So total journey will be equal to, just you will have to transpose it. So total journey will be equal to 12 multiplied by 3 by 4 should be transposed onto the other side. So the denominator over here will become the numerator, and the numerator over here will become the denominator. So 3 4s are 12. So total journey is equal to how much? 4 4s are 16 kilometer. Are they asking this? Are they asking the total journey? No. They are asking the journey still left. So journey still left is equal to how much? Journey left is equal to, total journey was 16 kilometer and the journey traveled is equal to how much? 12 kilometer. So journey left will be equal to how much? 4 kilometer, and this is what is your solution. Clear? 9, and we have 2 more of them. So you can say since you people have, you can say used up your patience over here, so why not to watch few minutes more. When Ajit traveled 15 kilometer, he found that 1/4 of the journey was still left. Okay, so in number 10 they say that Ajit travels how much? Ajit bhaiya, AJIT, Ajit traveled is equal to how much? 15 kilometer. and they say that when Ajit traveled 15 kilometers, he found that 1/4 of the journey was still left. Okay. So journey left is equal to 1 minute. So journey left is equal to how much? What have they given us? They have given us Ajit traveled is 15 kilometers and journey left is equal to how much? Is journey left is equal to, अरे यार हमें ये दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा, 1/4 of the journey was left. 1/4 of total journey. So 1/4 of total journey was left. This was left. They have given us this data. So journey left is equal to 1/4 of total journey. This means therefore journey traveled is equal to how much? 3/4? 3/4 of total journey. You can see here that out of 4, 1 is left. So how much was traveled? So 3/4 of the journey was traveled by Ajit, and this is equal to 15 kilometers. So the most important task over here is to frame an equation. Once an equation is formed, your 80% job is done. So total journey is equal to 15. Let us transpose this 3/4. So when 3/4 goes on to the other side, it will get multiplied by its reciprocal 4/3. Which is this will get multiplied by its reciprocal. जब यहाँ से इसको भगाइएगा, so this will get multiplied by its reciprocal, means इसका उल्टा 4/3. Or as I had told you that the denominator will become the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator. It is the same thing. So 5 times 15, 5 fours are is equal to how much? So 5 fours are, let me write over here, 5 fours are 20 kilometers. So this is what they are asking, find the total journey. So my total journey is equal to 20 kilometers. Last wala ek, number 11, isn't it? When you have shown your patience, then show some more patience. Okay, as I had told you people, here in a particular month a man earns 7,200. So the earning, do not write unnecessary thing in mathematics. Okay, I hate writing, you can say, writing poems while solving the statement problems. So earning is equal to rupees kitna? 720. Now they say that the man spends, after all the man has earned. Why do we earn money? To spend it and not just to save it. So they say that the man spends on food. How much? Spends on food is equal to how much? 3/10 of the total amount, which is equal to your 2160 rupees 2160. Then he spends on house rent also, isn't it? He spends on house rent, which is equal to 1/4 of the total salary, 7200. So this equals to rupees 1800, 1800. Then insurance, for example, if you'll get sick, so insurance is equal to how much? 1/10 of the total earning, 7200, which is equal to rupees 720. Okay, holidays also, बच्चा बुतरू को घुमाना है ना. So holidays, he spends how much? So he spends 2/25. We have yes, little amount should be spent on these things where money is unnecessarily used. So holidays, but that gives pleasure to the children. So 2/25 of 7200. So this counts to when when let us cancel. How much? 200, 288. This will give rupees. How much rupees? 576. Very good. Now, after spending this, spending on food, house rent, insurance, and holidays. So let me see that all these money, how much money was spent? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total money spent is equal to how much? So when you will add all these money spent, you will get an amount 5256. 5256. So you will have, since space is less, so I have not shown it. Now total money spent is this much. So what is the saving? So whatever after spending the entire amount, that the amount that remains is the saving. So saving, my dear, is equal to, out of 7,200 7200 minus 5256 5256 gives you a value. How much? 1944. 1944. So this rupees 1944 is the saving of the person. ठीक है, आदमी भला है. Out of 7200, if he is able to save around 2000 rupees, this means he has a good capacity on managing things. Okay, so this is the end of our fractions. So next we shall continue our next chapter. So you stay tuned, or you may not also, as I told you people.